Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, good news, we're back to work. Well, good and bad news. Really excited actually being back at work. It's quite weird. It feels like you've had some sort of weird summer holiday but you've not been paid at all. So yeah, so good news, we're back to work, which is great because obviously we just had to sort of abandon this job that we're on. It's plastering today, get the rest of the room skimmed out. So I'll be showing you that a little bit later on time lapse. So yeah, there is obviously a shortage of everything at the minute. So we're trying to keep the social distancing as much as we can. So yeah, it's a strange old world. If you like the videos, obviously hit the subscribe button. You'll find it now in the corner on the screen. So if you obviously give us a thumbs up if you like it. But yeah, obviously more videos to come now. Hopefully a couple of times a week with some actually decent work rather than me trying to make videos up where I can. Hope everyone's staying safe. Obviously it is still worrying times. Obviously at the minute, this job that we've gone back to, we've had to come back to it basically. The front section, we're almost at the end of it. Unfortunately I haven't got that much footage of this one, but we're almost at the end of this job. But obviously with no money coming in, there's 5 lads that work for us. We just have to crack on basically. So yeah, so obviously I will show you some more images of the work that we've actually done so far. Yeah, so I shall catch you in a bit. Nice bit of whistling there, Lou. You gonna say hello, Lou? Social distancing and all that. Yeah, smashing that out today. There she is, she's all plastered out. A lot of second fix going down now. Here's big boy coming in. I like it. I'll have her in the van, please. Yes, very good. Yeah, so today obviously got on with a lot of work sorted today. All plastering's done. So yeah, tomorrow carry on with the second fix. Obviously we're not fixing the skirting boards down at the minute because obviously it's all too wet obviously to do that. Lads are getting on with outdoor stuff. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and I'll catch you later.